You go to iTools, go into iDisk, you hit a button, and iDisk will magically put its icon right on your Mac desktop. And then you just double-click on it like any disk drive. It opens up into a window with folders in it. And anything you drag and drop into those folders is automatically transferred over the internet to our internet servers. And anything you drag back is automatically copied. It's incredible. And so, as an example, again, you get this downloaded onto your desktop, just drag and drop, and you're dragging and dropping things off of our internet server, all over the internet, all really simple. So what does this mean? It means when you're at work, you can go to iTools, click a button, get an iDisk on your Mac's desktop, drag some work into it, shut down your Mac, go home, go into iTools from your home system, click the button, get an iTools disk on your home desktop, drag some stuff out, and you just move some stuff from work to home. Move it back to work tomorrow. School to home to school. And there's a public folder in your iDisk. And you can put anything you want in it, and other people can look at it. All they have to do is know your login name. They can go to iTools and type in your login name, and your public folder will appear on their desktop, and they can drag stuff out of it. So you can share things with anybody. It's incredible. So photos, iMovies, documents, anything. And you can use iDisk with iCards. You can drag your personal photos in, and iCards knows how to read your photo folder in iDisk, and it'll give you your personal photos for your cards. So, iDisk is your personal 20 megabytes of internet storage on our servers. It's as easy as using a folder on your Mac desktop. We think this is going to be a big deal. iDisk is our third iTool. And our fourth is Homepage. Homepage is remarkable. I know so many people that want a website and they just don't know how to make one. And some of them buy some of the tools, and some of the tools are great. Macromedia, Adobe, those just got to make great tools, but they're just over the heads of a lot of people. So Homepage is a way to build your personal website in less than 10 minutes. And we are hosting them on our internet servers. So you can put electronic photo albums, you can have iMovies, resumes, birth announcements, anything you want. And again, you can use iDisk to import the content from your Mac. So you want to put photos in your website, just drag them into your Photos folder, and Homepage knows how to go look there. Same with iMovies. And again, your website's hosted on our internet servers, so it's available to everybody 24/7. And you can update it as often as you like. You get an iCard to send out when you get your website done. And that is the fourth of our iTools. And now I'd like to show them to you. I know we're having some trouble with this system, so excuse me in advance if it continues. So let's go to iTools. This is what you see when you go to iTools. Again, these tabs are on the top of every page all throughout apple.com. So it's so easy to get to this stuff. So the first thing I want to do is show you what happens when you go to KidSafe. When you go in there, you get something like this. It says, "Welcome to KidSafe." Goes through the steps to download it and turn it on. I've already got it turned on, so I'm just going to, if you turn it on and one of your kids goes there, this is what they get. Editing KidSafe settings requires you to be logged in to this Macintosh as the owner. And you're not. So, oops. So, that's KidSafe. Now let me go ahead and try to go somewhere. Why don't I try to go to, first of all, www.whitehouse.com. And really, let's try refreshing this. Oh yeah, I can't go to com. I can go, whoops, www. I can go to gov. I hope. There it is. Boom. It's afternoon. So I can go to Time Magazine. Let's try CNN. I should be able to go to Time. I can go to CNN, right? I cannot go to Playboy, right? But let me show you something even more incredible. I'm going to bring up Sherlock. Now, Sherlock, we've added a kid-safe channel, so if you're kid-safe, all the other channels are pretty much removed for you, and you have a kid-safe channel. Now, one of the problems with filtering, again, is that it filters out everything. It's indiscriminate. So as an example, the word sex, it will filter out everywhere. And yet there are things about sex that I want our kids to know. So I can type in sex to Sherlock, and there's a lot of kid-safe sites that will permit that word because they are kid-safe sites. Life expectancy calculator, basic genetics, etc., etc. Right? And I can go to one of them as an example and go to basic genetics. Now, this happens to be a site that I want my kids to see. Right? And yet it filters out all of the sites that you might imagine have to do with sex that you don't want your kids to see. So this is kid-safe. Mac.com. This is Mac.com. Again, we can forward email. We can set an auto-reply right from the server if we want to set an auto-reply message here. Very easy to do. You don't have to futz around with your client. Really great email service. Now let me go show you iDisk. This is iDisk. I think it's really revolutionary. And all you have to do is this. You just go here and say, open my iDisk. Wait a second or two.